Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to just get a root cell by hunting for different credentials or hidden credentials or using password and hunting mechanism. So let me show you how to do it. So if you have watched my first video in this series, in that video I kind of list my top 4 best automated enumeration script. So if you just know how to use the script, you can just download it and the script will automatically hunt for password. You can easily find any password if they are stored in the vulnerable system or the OS that you are actually attacking. So to actually manually hunt for password, I'll show you how to do that. So first place you need to look is in history. Just to do that, just get bash bash history is located in home directory. So if you or user accidentally type their password on the command line instead of into a password prompt, it may be recorded in this history file. It's pretty bad practice to just type the password in a command line. Okay, I just cat the history bash history and we got some credentials, MySQL credential. You can see that the user root accessed the MySQL server and the password are just given here. It's PSSWRD123. So checking this past history also sometime, if you are lucky, will you will just find credentials in there. Okay, next place is to check in var www. This var www HTML directory. So in this box, actually this Apache 2 server is not configured. So in most of the box or during CTF events, there are bunch of credentials that are located in this directory var www-html. Let me also mention you find command line that will search for word password or pass. The command goes like this: find slash, it will search in all the directories. Dash type to specify the type. So we are actually searching in files. So what are we searching? So we are searching every files, and now we are kind of going to execute a grep command inside find. So just give this flag dash exec. Okay, and grep dash I for case sensitive, capital I. Will source for word password or pass. Okay, then we'll give the color to the output. Then this curly brace open and close, so it is a placeholder for the files that actually the find command found. Then a semicolon and a backslash. So this is the command line that I use most to hunt for password. So if you don't know how to use find command, I have made another video on how to use find command. I'll just leave that video's link in the description below. Just watch it. Okay, let's run it and let's check if this box contains any exposed password or not. Okay, I kind of forget to suppress the errors. So to do that, just do angular bracket slash dev slash null. It will just suppress all the standard error. Okay, let me just modify it a little bit. So we can search for password in middle words. Add the star sign is a regular expression. Okay, it's found some credentials like password 321, so which was default password or which was the password for this user. So you have to repeat this process a bunch of time. It is a little bit lengthy if you do it manually, but if you just run the automated script, it will just easily find any stored password. Say it just found that MySQL line again, PSSWRE123 as a password. Okay, just this find line, find command will just come. It will be pretty handy during password hunting. This much in this video. Just hope to see you next time. Okay, bye.